This is the OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can bypass the parental control option on this device. So to start off, I would like to mention the very important fact that in order to execute the method that I'm going to show you today, you have to know the password for the child's account. So whether you're a parent or a child that's trying to switch off the parental controls feature, I unfortunately will not be able to use the method shown today if you do not know the password to the account associated with the family link. So let's start. Open settings, enter the Google category. Next, you gotta go for the prior to, I'll show you that the parental controls are actually enabled. So in here, tap on the manage your Google account button. Once the Google account settings will be loaded, you gotta open the data and privacy section, scroll page all the way down, and in here we'll go for the delete your account option. But do not be scared. We will temporarily remove the Google account, and then after the parental controls are switched off, we will recover and restore the account right away. So no worries on that end. So tap on this option. It asks that we confirm our credentials, so let's enter the password. Now there's this page that warns you which consequences you will have after deleting the account, so if you want to, you can read them. Scroll the page all the way down, check those two boxes, and tap on the delete account button. Since we have gotten something went wrong message, that means that the account deletion process has been successfully finished. And now if I will go to the settings, not only will I not see the any associated account here, but also if I'll open up the parental controls field, as you can see, this function is not active anymore. So great success. The only thing that we need to do lastly is to recover the account. So you gotta launch the Play Store for that, tap on a sign in button, enter the recently deleted account credentials. Then you'll get this kind of message that states that this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable, so good for us. Tap on the blue next button, enter the password for the account. And once you do, you can get, such message that says something went wrong. That's completely normal. Do not be afraid. Do not be scared. Just re-log in once again. So enter the email, then enter the password. After that, click on the I agree button, then accept anything that it will ask you to accept. No big deal. And if we'll go to the settings and Google category again, we'll realize that the account, not only we have recovered the account, but also re-linked it or re-associated with back with our smartphone or with the system on this device. Alrighty, so that would be it. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.